Hi, this is Mahesh Ravi here, and in this video, I want to show you an interesting, useful tool that I have developed using Google AI Studio and Vibe Coding. So, I will talk about the process of developing the app in another video, but this is going to be about an introduction to the product that I actually made. So, it's called Design Analyzer, and if you go to my website, you can actually find that right here. And let's take a look at that first. So if you click on here, it will open up Design Analyzer. It's called Specs. And you can see that the interface is like this. You can actually upload a design, your design or any other design that you want in here. So basically what it actually does is that it will review your design based on the inputs that I have given or I have taught the tool. So for instance, I have given a set of parameters, I've given a set of rules, I've given a certain set of conditions on what exactly is good design, including typography, the way that layout is used, the way that design style is used, the way that the legibility is working, all of that. So I've made my own list of rules and I have taught the tool to understand what is good and bad design. So after doing that, what I've done is I've created an interface where we could upload your design and it will review it in a way that I would normally design. I would review a design project. It's not perfect. It's not the virtual me yet, but technically, I found that it's very close. It actually makes all the plausible errors in your design, and then it lists out, it expands, and it details every problem that you have in your design. And the best part is that it actually gives you actionable points which you can actually take to correct your design. So let's take a look at this in action. Let's go to Google and look for brochure design. And we'll take a random design. Pretty much everything is bad in here, but let's take this. Let's upload this to the tool. And the moment it says that it is analyzing the design. So this is the result. It's a very basic, it's a very template based, boring, generic design that we took from the internet and we tried to review it, and it uses all those points. So while it is trying to establish a clear structure, there are significant areas for improvement in readability, hierarchy, and overall visual harmony. If you go down, you can see the points. These are the rules that I have given. Based on the rules that I've set, it's comparing the uploaded design and matching those parameters on what I said to be good and what I said to be bad. And it is sort of saying all of those things. And as I told you, it's giving you an actionable protocol that you need to do immediately in steps. So what needs to be done in each of those areas, it's going to tell you. And if you follow this, it'll make it a much better design just like that, right? So what actually makes it special is that these rules is set by me, right? So I have decided that, okay, these are the rules that, so it is not actually taking it from any random graphic design book or the widespread use of graphic design out there. It's basically taking what I have taught the tool. So I said that these are the properties of good graphic design and these are the properties of bad graphic design. And it's taking that and it's reviewing your design. So what it makes it unique is that it sort of sounds very similar to the kind of reviews that I would personally give. It's, again, it's not out there completely. It is not 100% me, but still it's very close to that because it's completely driven based on the rules that I have written and I've given it to the tool. If you are somebody who is just getting into graphic design, you're just learning the tool and you're making something, this would be an interesting starting point to understand what is the right direction for you to take, what is something that you need to fix immediately. For pro designers, for designers with a lot of exposure, a lot of style knowledge, they have already found their niches. This might not be required because it's not going to go into that creative space yet. It is still a technical evaluation of your design. It's not a creative evaluation of your design. So it might help you find all the minor errors in balance, contrast, hierarchy, colors, pairing, readability, things like that. But when you're intentionally making something, like for instance, if you're trying brutalism, if you're trying deconstructivism and all that stuff, I am not sure how this is going to respond. So this is for those people who are just starting with graphic design, and if you want to learn the fundamentals and what can go wrong in the beginning, you can definitely use this. Check this out. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you with another video soon. Till then, bye.